Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all must be fine, you all are doing well today. Today I am to tell you about creating persuasive technologies, the 8-step design process, like a behavior model for persuasive design. So let's proceed our video. Design guideline, the best practice. So we shall discuss these 8 steps. Early stage persuasive design. First step is choose a simple behavior to target. So first of all you have to choose a simple behavior to target that behavior and achieve your goal. And then second, we have choose a receptive audience. Then you must have to choose an audience so that you can perform your design before them. And then the third one, we have find what is preventing the target behavior. And after that we have fourth step, choose an appropriate technology channel. So it's more important that when you have chosen your behavior of target and then you have audience and then target behavior prevention, after that you have to choose technology channel. And then after choosing technology channels, you must have to find relevant examples of persuasive technology. So when you have relevant examples of persuasive technology, you have to imitate successful examples. So you must have to copy the examples of successful people. And then at number 7 we have test and iterate quickly. So after imitating successful examples, you have to test your network, your design, and iterate it as soon as you can do it. And at number 8, when you have make your all steps done, then you can expand on success. So when you have these 7 steps ready, then you can move forward to success. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.